If you want to close your Peacock account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your Peacock account using your email and password on the official Peacock website or app. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Here, you will find details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy. Step 5. Delete accounts. After cancelling your subscription, look for the option to delete your account. Confirm your decision and ensure you follow any additional steps provided to finalize the account closure. Once you have completed these steps, your Peacock account will be closed. If you had any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.